Another day, another chance to practice English. Let's practice English. WH questions and answers in the present continuous. Watch and complete the conversations with the verb in parentheses. Use the present continuous. One. A. What is she doing? B. She is singing a song. Two. A. What are they doing? B. They are playing basketball in the park. Three. A. What are the children doing? B. They are making a sandcastle on the beach. Chapter 4. A. What is the dog doing? B. It is chasing its tail. Five. A. What are the birds doing? B. They are flying overhead. Six. A. What is the chef doing? B. He is making dinner for us. Seven. A. What is your brother doing? B. He is playing the guitar. Eight. A. What is the rain doing? B. It is falling softly on the roof. Nine. A. What is the girl doing? B. She is drawing a picture. Ten. A. What is the baby doing? B. He is sleeping in the crib. Eleven. A. What are the students doing? B. They are studying in the library. Twelve. A. What is the man doing? B. He is washing his car. Thirteen. A. What is the cat doing? B. It is drinking milk. Fourteen. A. What are the boys doing? B. They are riding their bikes. (15) A. What is the waiter doing? B. He is carrying the food. (16) A. What is the woman doing? B. She is talking on the phone. Thank you for practicing with Worldwide ELT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons and practice.